Hey guys, welcome back. We are out of the house today. We're going to shopping. Yeah. We're going shopping. We're going to Target and at home, I know, and who knows where else. So I thought I would bring you guys along for it. We'll see what we can find for the house, for the pets, for
the children,
the baby,
the children,
the baby, and the children. The children. Okay, scratch it all. We're just shopping for the baby. Look, that's cute. I like that one. Oh my goodness, you're so cute.
Big girl. Hey, I not got to see you. I not got to see you.
Let's go get you something. You want a toy or an outfit? Let's go look. Is that shirt? Say little boo.
Yeah.
Oh, let's look. Boo and little boo. Little boo. Boo. That's cute. But you can't wear them past Halloween. That's the thing that sucks.
Horrible.
To what? Look at this. Oh. Yeah, I bet it would be hot, but it is cute. No. I don't think nothing to fit her chunky butt. Cute.
Short sleeve, but it's long. Oh, is it soft like that? Yeah.
There's a gray one. Uh-oh, dinosaur. Of course I ain't got none to fit her chunky butt. You like it all? What do you want?
She's just a baby.
Oh, she's buckled. That is so cute.
She was looking
Say
at
hi.
that
Hi. Tell him hi. Oh my gosh, she gets so fascinated with that.
Yeah.
That's cute. That is cute. That'd be cute for pictures. You can go home and do pictures, Lakey? Get it if you want it. Oh, look, it's pumpkins. Look. She'd burn up. We don't get snow.
We get one.
Won't. $12 ain't bad. Do you want that?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
This.
Drop it in the buggy.
Do you want this?
She said yeah. They have a sweatshirt that says boo and one for her that says little boo.
Oh, really?
It's so cute.
Okay.
Yay! You've got clothes. You need a toy. $4. Should we get that?
Yeah.
I mean, it's cute. We got that.
That's like bigger.
That. And this for summer. She needs that little. Look at that.
That is so cute.
She wants to go look at the toys.
Do you want to go to the
That's what she told me. Do you want to go look at the toys? Here. Can she see herself?
Yeah.
Those teeth, though. Show them your teeth. Okay, or don't. Okay, let's go find you a toy. Say, I wish she would wave. It is so cute. Wave. Wave at the baby.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Oh my gosh, look. Why can't she be that little again? There's 2 pieces. It's like the thermal knit. Oh, it's Burt's Bees. Yeah, I like that. Oh, where's Miss Rachel? She has that. I got her that. Here. You like it? You like it? She do. She does like it. Put it in a buggy. She's like, throw it in. Throw it in. So give it to me, Gigi.
We're teaching you how to shop.
Get it?
Yeah, she wants it. Look, we could put you in a wagon. Okay, you'll go with her? Okay. If you don't love them, you're not getting them because you're going to wear them twice a week. I hate when she gets stuff and don't wear it. Those are so stinking cute. Ain't they? That is adorable. Okay, let's go find a toy. We're going to find a baby girl a toy. You see? Yeah. You're so happy. Aww. How much is it on clearance?
$9.
$9? That's stinking cute though, ain't it? So it's gonna be warm for a while and she doesn't really have a lot of stuff that fits her. Let's keep it on her. Oh, so cute. Yeah, she's wearing it so far. Yeah. How little.
I don't remember her being that little.
She wasn't. She came out bigger. Oh, curb.
You need to quit driving.
What do you see? Which one do you like? Oh, okay. That one? Okay. I think she liked that one better. Do you think?
It's only $5.99. Quit touching stuff.
I try to do that so swiftly and I knock the whole thing down. Thank you. Where'd you go? She's trying to drink out of her cups. That is so cute. Oh, you got a cup too? It does smell good. Switch it. Do you need bathroom soap?
Yeah.
Okay, get that and put that in there. Okay. Okay. I think we're gonna stop at Target and get a bite to eat. I'm hungry.
Stop at Target and get a bite to eat.
I mean, not Target. Shh. Redo. Okay, we're gonna stop at Sonic and get something to eat. What do y'all want? Oh, I think I want a pretzel. What do you want? Pretzel and cheese? No.
Oh, dang it is coming out.
I know, she's big. You're so big. Okay, I'm just gonna start hitting alls. I wanna look for something to cover our litter box. Litter box cover. Look at Christmas. Oh my gosh. I'm not buying anything for Christmas. Our house is packed. I need wrapping paper though, if we can find any. It is.
I would go good with or candy.
That one, yeah, I would. The gingerbread, I like a gingerbread.
Yeah.
How much is it? It's ugly. It's so ugly. Pumpkins. I like the stacked soft pumpkins.
Why do people decorate their house if nobody sees it?
I don't know. Just because it makes you happy. Do what makes you happy, right, Lakey? Right? She's having a good time. Oh gosh. Mommy's fixing to get you. Ooh. She's fine. Oh my god, that's so cute. It matches her outfit too. Ew, 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 get it.
Wait, Heather's going to see.
Oh, is she? Get it. Get it. Say it tickle, Gigi. It tickle. I see your teeth. Can I see your teeth? Oh, I see them big. Now, yeah, thank you. She showed me her teeth.
Heather, you should
I need wrapping paper. I want the cinnamon broom. It smells so good, and you can hang it like behind a door or something where you don't see it, but it smells so good. Did you smell it? This is cinnamon.
Yeah.
$6.99. Well, we might can swing it. Boop. That's pretty. See, I want Lakeley's gifts wrapped. So cute.
Here you go.
Oh. Oh God, it's the Grinch. Any wrapping paper down there? No. A countdown Grinch. That's pretty.
This is cute.
She has this, something like that at her house, remember? It's a gingerbread baby, yeah. I mean, this is the place to get your Christmas stuff for sure. But, oh, they have blue. That'd be pretty. I love Christmas. Okay. I don't think we have any wrapping paper out yet. I got gifts I need to wrap. I got gifts I need to wrap. Okay, so we have our litter box in the kitchen, and I really want something to hide that. So I'm looking for some kind of bench or something. We can put the litter box in and close it, and you can't tell that's what it is. So let's see what we can find. That would work. And I'm not looking to spend $500, so. No. That is cute. It really is cute. Ooh, that might work. It's a maybe. Hey, I see you. Look, that would work. We could put the litter box in that.
Yeah.
Cut a hole in the side from the ground out. Like, we could cut a hole in the side of this litter box.
True.
I mean, it's $50, but can we see one on clearance? Ooh, look at the can dispenser. That's cute. And that hangs behind a door. That's nice. That is nice. These trash cans, oh my gosh. $2. You need one for your desk. Look at that trash can. It is a desk for desk or a car.
Yeah.
Or something. Look, they got your green color. You don't need one for your desk at school?
Mom, that says, do you not have a trash can next to your desk?
No.
Mom, she really has one. Put it down.
Forget it. Lakey, you need a trash can? She said, She said, oh, e-cloths.
They have them outside of here.
Washing up pad. What is that? Hey, y'all.
Yeah. See you on our TV all the time.
Hey, y'all.
Who says that?
Who is it? Our small town off? Tiffany.
Maroon colors.
Keep climbing. There you go. Mama would like that.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
Okay, we are back from shopping. I'm gonna show you what all we got. But first of all, Lakeley's got one of her new outfits on. Show them your outfit. Oh, is that doggy loud? Look, it's a baby. I see you. Second of all, we got Flashy a chew thing, and it smells like beef, and he smells it and he's driving me crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it to him. Hang on. Hold up. Flashy, come here. Stop collaborating in this thing. Mama, make this your thumbnail, what I'm about to do.
Make this your thumbnail.
Stop. Get in here. Okay, so he's on his stinky ring. Okay, see it? See it? You guys see it? And shake. Oh, that's a good boy. Okay, now he'll be quiet. And the softball players, they had a game last night. Kennedy had a good hit. I'll insert that right here. But the softball players are working the Bristol race. What is it? Like NASCAR? Yeah, NASCAR race. So they're working that fundraiser just to earn money for their softball team. So she's coming home tonight, but I'm gonna show you what we got. So Allison got a black blanket. I told you guys in the last video that she just covers up with a blanket and sleeps on top of her comforter. So we painted that one wall black. She's got black and gold accents in her room. So she got this blanket. It's a 90 by 90, so it's really big. It's really soft. She also got a $3 pillow from Home Goods. At Home, sorry. She got a $3 pillow from At Home and already opened it. Did you use it in the car on the way home? Lexi and Allison got matching pajamas, so those are super cute. I got elderberry, Mrs. Myers hand soap for our bathroom, and then we got a cleaner. I got one for me, one for Lexi, and that is in the elderberry scent. It smells so good. Got some dry shampoo. Does it smell good? And then Lakely, where's her other cup like this? Okay, so we got a 2-pack of these, and it's a straw, and she can drink it so good. You know, show them how you drink your cup. Show Papa how you drink it. Here, show Papa. Is that good? Is that good? Oh my gosh, she's getting so big, ain't she? She can suck that really good. We got her 2-pack of those, and then she got this one too. She got 2 Mickey Mouse and then this one. I already told you about the, did I tell them about the bowls? Okay, so we got some just cheap bowls because I send cookies and leftovers and everything home with everybody, so got those. Got Lakely a little heart outfit. You all probably seen this stuff that I put in the buggy at Target or shopping cart. I say buggy. But got her that little outfit that's super soft. And then Heather picked this out, and it's a little Minnie Mouse sweatshirt. That's so cute. It'll be cute with leggings or jeans. Then we got her this little outfit on clearance. So that was cute. She is like 20 pounds and in like 18 months. So she's outgrew a lot of her summer clothes, and it's still going to be warm for a while. Allison got this Bronco shirt. Then Lakely got this little dress, and that will be super cute, I think, for fall pictures. Then I got this 5-pack of Carter's onesies, 18 months, just to have here because she's outgrowing every single thing she has. Yeah, so then we got a cinnamon broom because it smells so good, and I'm gonna hide it somewhere, but I still want the smell of it. So I've never had one before. Like, I don't even really get it, but it smells so good. So maybe you put it behind a door or something, I don't know. Anyway, so for Christmas, I'll insert a picture here of the toy box that we got her, but this is it. I need to wrap that. And then for here, for my house, we got her a little toy box from At Home, just a tiny one, and it's got wheels, but we've got her toys in a little plastic basket, so that'll be a lot better. That's all. But anyway, I will go ahead and, am I going to end this video or am I going to do something else?
Oh no, see what we're
Okay, I'll just make it its own video. So anyway, I'm going to end this here. Thank you so much for shopping with us today and hanging out with us. And we love you. Jesus loves you. And we'll see you in the next one. Flash loves you too. Where's your toy? Bye guys.
Shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, the fire burning in the night, be a hope for the world so broken, be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he shows.